welcome to my kitchen. My name is Rose and this is Easy to Cook at Home. Today I'm going to be blanching and freezing some beans. I find that in the summer period you get lots of lovely fruit and vegetables. In the winter time they're very expensive. So I like to either get them from the garden or get them from the store, vegetables. Then I like to blanch them and freeze them for later use in the winter where the vegetables are a lot more expensive and you've got lots of stuff all ready to go out of your freezer. So without further ado, let's get started. So I've got my green beans here and I've got a lot of them and I'm not going to use them all at once. I've already used some of the green beans and I want to preserve them. So I'm going to blanch them. First of all, I've already washed them and I'm just going to top and tail them. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is take off the top and the tail, just like that. Now these are very young beans. Now if you've got an older bean, sometimes you get a string kind of like down the middle, so what you'd need to do, none of these are going to have string, but you just take the top and then you just pull it back along the vein there, and if there is a string then that'll all come out, because you don't want stringy beans. Even after you've blanched them you'll get that string if you don't get rid of it. You just top and tail them all. Okay, now that I've top and tailed them all, I'm just going to cut them in half. I've washed them. You can leave them whole if you prefer. Okay, so on the stove here I have a pot of boiling water. I'm just going to add in some salt, and to that I'm going to add the beans. Okay, so I'm just going to cook those for around about 3 minutes, just until they're just a bit soft but not completely cooked. And what this does is it inhibits the enzymes from activating, and in turn this makes sure that we keep in the flavour, the colour and also the nutrients. So I'll just leave those for about 3 minutes and I'll see you shortly. Okay, so I've got a bowl of really cold water here. I'm just going to plunge the beans into there and that will cool them down. What you basically want to do is you want to stop the process of the cooking. Okay, so I let them cool off and I've completely drained them. It's important to make sure you get all the water off them, otherwise it will crystallise in the freezer. And then the next thing we're going to do is we just need to get a Ziploc bag and bag them. Close the top of the bag, get rid of all the air. And then put them in the freezer, and they will last around about 3 months in the freezer. And then when you want to cook them or reheat them, you just plunge them into some boiling water for about 2 minutes and you get some nice green beans. Well, I do hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave your comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Please subscribe to my channel, share, like, all that sort of good stuff. Thank you very much. Have a great day and bye bye for now. Hope to see you soon. Bye.